Hey, welcome to How To in a Few. Today we're gonna do kind of a strange addition to the house. Been seeing, well, we're doing other stuff too, obviously, but I'm finished putting together this toilet that we rebuilt and remounted. Video doesn't really focus on that. It focuses on this poor man bidet thing. It's like a hose setup that you connect to your toilet and you flush your backside. I don't know what got into me to order it. It popped up as an Amazon deal or something. So one-click ordering. That's the kind of trouble that that'll get you into. But yeah, I'm gonna hook it up and we'll see. Sorry, acting a little childish, but it's kind of funny. Alright, let me get this toilet back together and then we'll go ahead and focus on that bidet. Alright, toilet's back in. All that's left is to hook up our little sprayer and valve. And I wish I could get you in here so you can see better, but alright, we'll see what you can see here. Main component is going to be this on and off valve. Tell you, it doesn't look like it's bad quality at all. Alright, I know from experience that we're missing a seal in there. Let's see what we have. Alright, until we solve that, we can't go much further. There's a seal missing. It goes in the bottom of this and comes in the kit. I'm gonna have to locate that real quick. Alright, I believe we're just gonna give this thing a shot and see what happens. No, it has a seal, so we don't even need a Teflon. This is going to mate onto the bottom of the toilet. You'll be able to turn on the water using the valve, which hopefully will only turn the water onto the hose, not to the toilet, which should stay on regardless. a little concerned I'm messing up the thread, so I'm gonna have to move you out the way so that I can get down there and get a better look. Alright, here's where we are right now. This one also has a seal, so it technically doesn't really need the Teflon. Alright, poor man's bidet mount. I don't know what I think about that, to tell you the truth. But I do know this. I can almost guarantee you this thing's gonna leak all over the damn place. I don't trust it at all. Here we go. Yep. Leaking like a sip. So there you go. That's how you hook up a poor man's bidet and watch it leak all over the floor. I don't have a seal to put in there to shore that up. So it's disconnected right now, and that's the way it's going to stay, and it's probably just going to end up in the trash, to tell you the truth. But I may come across a seal or actually buy one or two, because actually it's not leaking right now, the toilet, and we'll be thankful just to have this toilet working again. So I may buy 2 seals, 1 for each connector, we'll see. But I'm so over this project now that I don't even care. So thumbs up or thumbs down, hit the subscribe button if it helped you at all. We could just notch this up to being a joke video or something. But I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.